I'll go over it first.
I just got my bearing straight. So this would be the. So this would be the. Apex would be right here.
Apex.
So left.
Okay, so this would be your
Base.
okay. This is your ascending aorta. Then it becomes your aortic arch when you see these right here. Then it becomes your descending aorta. Okay. This would be your right auricle and your right atrium. This would be your left auricle and your left atrium. This right here would be your pulmonary trunk, which goes to your pulmonary arteries. And your pulmonary veins are right here in the back.
To each side.
Yep, two on each side, superior and inferior. Don't forget superior, inferior, rights, and lefts.
Okay.
This right here is your interventricular sulcus. This is your atrioventricular sulcus, around where your atriums are. Okay? This right here is your serous what do they call it? Serous pericardium?
Serous pericardium.
Okay, this is your fibrous pericardium right here.
How do we tell?
How do you know the difference?
Fibrous.
the
See how
fibers.
the fibrous is darker, and you can actually see the fibers. You can actually see the fibers. See over here, you can't see the fibers.
And the serous is,
See, this is the serous.
and then in between there's like a liquid, right?
Yeah.
Kind of like surround.
Yeah. This goes like this. This goes underneath like this. And see, then your serous fluid is here, which causes so it doesn't have friction when it heart beats. Okay? And you open up the heart. This your right atrium, which has your pectinate muscle. It also has your crista terminalis and your fossa ovalis, which you can only see on the models. Then you have your tricuspid valve right here, which with these little cords are called your chordae tendineae, which hooks to your papillary muscles. Inside is your endocardium. Out on the edges are your myocardiums. This right here is your interventricular
Septum.
Okay, this is your aorta, so this would be your aortic semilunar valve, which comes right here. This is your pulmonary. So this would be your aortic semilunar valve, so this would be your pulmonary semilunar valve. Right there. See it?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's open like this. This is going to be part of your tricuspid valve over here. So this is going to be your pectinate muscle, your papillary muscle, your chordae tendineae, and this would be your trabeculae carnae. All this stuff looks kind of like a Swiss cheese or
Roast beef.
that roast beef would be this one right here. That'd be your pectinate muscle.
Pectinate muscle.
Where's the crista terminalis? Isn't it?
You won't see it in here. Your crista
It's
terminalis.
just like the stuff that the pectinate muscle.
Bring that over here. Here, right here. Open up. Right atrium. Open up.
It's like right here.
Right there. That's your crista terminalis. Right here. And down inside there, number 81 is your fossa ovalis.
What number is Christmas?
It'd just be right here, wherever they put it right here.
It's like a ridge kind of.
Yeah. And then down at the bottom is your inferior vena cava.
Can you see the septum marginal and auditory band on this?
No, you can only see it, the septomarginal. Open that up.
It's right there.
63, 63. Both sides.
Oh, we can't see it on this.
What is it, 63 again?
Septum marginal.
Septomarginal band.
Medial, and that's lateral.
For what?
For the nerve on the
Yeah, medial's under the arm, lateral is across the pectoris.
Okay.
Okay, sorry. Okay, septomarginal. Your interventricular septum, okay? Then this would be your bicuspid valve. Right here, this area is your bicuspid valve. So this would again would be your papillary muscle, chordae tendineae, bicuspid valve. Papillary muscle, chordae tendineae, trabeculae carnae. Your interventricular septum here also separates the whole right from the left. This right here would be your pulmonary semilunar valve right here. This would be your aortic semilunar valve, pulmonary semilunar valve, tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve. pectinate muscle. Crista terminalis, fossa ovalis, and your pectinate muscle. Alright? Superior vena cava. Inferior vena cava. As I already told you this. Tricuspid, chordae tendineae, capillary muscles, septo-moderator band. Septo-moderator band.
Marginal.
Marginal band, I'm sorry. Marginal moderator band.
Yeah.
Pectinate muscles. This is your trabeculae carnae. This shiny stuff's your endocardium. This is your myocardium. Apex. Capillary muscle. Chordae tendineae of bicuspid valve. This is your pulmonary semilunar valve right here. Next to it is your aortic semilunar valve. Then goes your ascending aorta, your aortic arch, and then your descending. Back here, you have your internal intercostal arteries right here.
It's just 5 of them?
Well, there's more than that. They're just showing you the
They
five.
just-
They come all
okay.
the way down, go in between each rib.
Okay.
Subcostal. It's in the
Intercostal.
lumbar region.
Subcostal's down here below your 12th rib. And then turn the heart this way. This would be your left pulmonary artery right here. Left pulmonary artery. This would be your right pulmonary artery.